All right, what's going on YouTube? We are finally back again, guys. I know it seems like it's been a little bit of a hiatus. A little bit of a kind of like I would say, not like a recap, a little bit of a, I guess, a little bit of a catch up on your guys' part. Uh, I've recently just had a child, on the 11th of this month, which we call February 11th. And I was dealing with that, getting her situated. A couple days, I think it was like a couple days, or maybe about like a week before my daughter was born. I went to go get my hair cut. On this side of my head, I got severe razor burn on the side of my head, which caused a severe ear infection, swelling. My eye was swollen. It was a whole thing. I'm pretty much better for the most part now. I'm pretty much like at the end of it now. Um, but yeah, that's what been going on with me personally. That's why you guys haven't probably seen me. I think it's been about almost a month, right? Yeah. But I'm a little late to the game, unfortunately. We got Vahtang here with a cover or an original cover called Animal. Um, I know. I always call it a cover. I just like how it sounds. All right, he's not covering somebody else's content or somebody else's song. It's an original video, original beatbox, coming your way. So let's hop into this. If you guys do enjoy reactions here on the channel, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. I have 3 kids now, and I have not yet become monetized. A little concerning, but I'm still gonna keep on trudging through. We are sitting at, I believe, about 388. Yeah, 388 subscribers as of right now. Uh, Sharing this among family and friends would be deeply appreciated. And yeah, sharing this on your social media page, any platforms you guys have, would be deeply appreciated. And of course, watching video, I think it has to be about 3 minutes or longer for it to really have any kind of effect on the channel. So you guys could do me a solid there. That'd be great. And is there anything else I'm missing? I don't think so. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop into this. If you guys, like I said before, if you guys do enjoy content like this, please leave a like on the video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you guys haven't already. And if you guys are returning to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. And yeah, I usually say if you're new, sub now. The whole thing. But yeah, let's hop into this.
I'm a beatboxer like anymore. Battling with me is a funeral.
Let me go back, all the way back.
I'm a beatboxer like anymore. Battling with me is a funeral. I can't hide beast anymore. Anymore. Why my beatboxer like anymore? Battling with me is a funeral. I can't hide beast anymore. Anymore. Anymore.
Okay. This is what I like. I love. I mean, don't get me wrong. His other beatbox style. I call it the religious style that he had trending for a while. But this his fast beat, hardcore beatbox. I love it. There you go.
People don't see sunlight anymore. They say this on the radio. I'm a beatboxer like anymore. I'm a beatboxer like anymore. Battling with me in a row. I can't have peace anymore.
Okay. That's different. Shit. Going in, baby.
Monster kill.
Damn. Well, let's go back.
I'm a beatboxer like anymore.
Let's go back. One more time, guys. One more
Battling
time.
with me is
Because that was super fast pace. The pace this guy was going with, there's so much you can miss.
I'm a
easily.
beatboxer like anymore. Battling with me is a funeral. I can't hide beast anymore. I'm a beatboxer like anymore. Battling with me is a funeral. I can't hide beast anymore. Anymore.
I can't. I just can't. What was that? Shit's sick.
People don't see sunlight anymore. They say this on the radio. I'm a beatboxer like anymore.
He said people don't see the light anymore. Okay.
Anymore.
Pretty sure
I'm a beatboxer
Oh, is there subtitles?
like anymore. Sing with me in.
Oh, come on, bro. Not subtitles. Ah, all right. What's he saying now?
Up in a row. I can't have peace anymore.
Yeah, I wish I knew subtitles. I had enough from ours. Sorry. Usually they don't.
Monster kill.
And if you guys see me yawning every now and then, it's not, yeah, sheesh, like, this is boring. It's, yeah, sheesh, I got 3 kids. I got a 5-year-old, well, 4-year-old about to turn 5. I got a 2-year-old, well, she'll be 2. She's 1. I got 4-year-old, a 1-year-old, and, what is it, like, not even like a week old, you know. So if I'm yawning, that's why. I got two ones. 2 are just full of energy constantly all day. Sorry, let's try to fix that. All right. What is he? All right. So I missed.
I'm a beatboxer like anymore.
He said, I'm a big boxer like... I'm a big boxer like anymore.
Battling with me is a funeral. I
Okay.
can hide
How come now? Yeah, it makes such a difference. It makes such a difference to the subtitles. Cause now I don't know why, but like now that like, God, oh, Jesus God, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. All right, so what I was trying to say is we put the subtitles on now. As you're reading it, for some reason, everything it kind of feels like it slows down. And I didn't slow down the speed of the video or anything. But it seems like that you can hear it more clearly because you're reading it. If I'm looking at the subtitles, I don't know why I know this weird shit like that. I'm a weirdo. I don't give a fuck, man.
anymore, anymore, anymore,
Or
anymore,
maybe I just missed it. I don't know.
anymore. Why my beatbox and not anymore? Playing with me is a funeral. I can't hide beast anymore, 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 anymore.
I thought you said they don't see the way. Maybe he did. Maybe I just didn't.
Anymore, anymore, anymore. People don't see sunlight anymore. They
Oh,
say
is
they
that what that is? People don't see satellite anymore.
on the radio. I'm on beatbox still like anymore, 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 anymore. I'm on beatbox still up anymore. Battling with me in a funeral.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now, I may be reading too much into this, guys. Let me know in the comment section below that. Now, I could be wrong. He could have like a freaking tour coming out for all I know. Cause I cover so many different beatboxers that I try not to spread myself too thin when trying to keep up with these guys. If certain things are posted on their channels, I will react to it in a timely fashion, when I have time to get to it. Um, but following them like post by post or like on Twitter or any kind of social media platforms, I'm not doing any of that. Not saying I'm not a fan of these particular beatboxers. It's just I'm not as a big fan as hardcore fans of Vahtang, Tar Stutton or Staten, Improver. Uh, there's other, but those are just the first ones that came to my mind off the top of my head. But um, I may be reading into this too much. I do that. I do that sometimes. But it says I'm a beatbox anymore. So I don't know if he is retiring from content creation, beatboxing as a whole. I may be reading into it too much. Um, you know what I mean? Because that's not what the title says. The title says animal, but like any animal, as you age, eventually you gotta retract the claws and just relax. Let the next generation lead the way. You know what I mean? But yeah, back to it.
I can't have beast anymore, anymore, anymore.
Let me know in the comment section below if there was any talk of him like retiring from beatbox or content creation as a whole. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. All right.
anymore, anymore. Let's go party.
Oh yeah, so I mean, I'm pretty much. This is pretty much. I think like my third run through listening to this. Uh, I just keep going through just to make sure I'm not missing anything or maybe misreading certain things when it comes to the lyrics as well. Um, I think the first either this might be the second time or the third time. The first time I didn't have subtitles on. Pretty sure this might be the third time. First and second time. I didn't know that he had subtitles activated on here because most videos that beatboxers post, at least the ones I reacted to, I didn't notice if they had subtitles active or not. But he does on this particular video. So, especially when they go fast, it's kind of hard to. Well, at least for me, because I'm working with one ear over here, to make out what the lyrics are. If they're alright. But yeah, phenomenal performance. Definitely a 20 out of 10, bro. And that strong finish with the faded light, that shit was fucking sick, dude. Alright, so that is my reaction to Vahtang's video here, Animal. Yet again, guys, let me know in the comment section below if there was talk about him either possibly stepping away from beatbox for a while or passing the mantle on to the next generation, which would mean, hey, I'm out, I'm retiring, sayonara. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy that as much as I did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and set it to all so you get notified every single time upload a video here for you guys on the channel. But with that said, this is Casual, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.